This riddle video has got over 21 million views. In today's video, I'm going to try to start a similar YouTube channel using only AI, and I will be using only free tools so that you don't need to worry about the pricing. I came across this idea after doing 3 days of research on YouTube for finding an AI automation niche, and finally, I found this channel which is about riddles. This is the monthly income of this channel which you can see on your screen. Let's go for it. Okay, our channel has been created. Now we need to figure out our branding. Go to vidIQ AI Coach. I will put the link in the description and click on sign up. Once you log into the app, click on AI Coach. I'm starting off by asking the AI Coach for 50 YouTube channel names. There are so many to choose from. The Riddle Genius. I kind of like this one. Next up, our profile picture. I'm gonna use Stable Diffusion, an open source AI art generator. Let's generate a Riddle Genius cartoon profile picture. To finish up the branding, we need a banner. I'm just going to use our profile picture and Canva to create a banner. The channel branding is all done by AI. Now it's time to generate the riddles. So I came to ChatGPT and asked the chatbot to write me 50 tricky riddles for my YouTube video. As you can see, ChatGPT has written 50 riddles, but we only need 10. I'm asking ChatGPT to select the 10 most interesting riddles and provide their answers. Now that the riddles are ready, it's time to create the video. The next step for you is to go to clipchamp.com. This is a free online video editor offered by Microsoft, where you can edit and export high quality videos without watermarks. Click on sign up. If you already have an account, then click on login. Once you log into the app, click on create a new video. Now if you don't have any experience in video editing, don't worry, because I have spent a lot of time simplifying everything for you, so you just need to get started. Step 1. Click on graphics, then click on backgrounds. Now simply drag and drop the color that you want in your background and cut it 2 times like this. Step 2. Paste 3 text into the timeline. In the first text box, write riddle 1. Then copy the first riddle that you have created using ChatGPT and paste it into the second text box. Now copy the answer and paste it into the third text box. Step 3. Click on record and create and click on text to speech. From here, change the voice, select Anna, then paste the riddle like this.
Riddle 1. What has a neck but no head, and wears a cap but has no hair? Answer: bottle.
And click on save to media. Now go to your media and you can see that AI has generated the voice. All you have to do is drop it into the timeline and cut it like this.
Riddle 1. What has a neck but no head, and wears a cap but has no hair? Answer: bottle.
Step 3. Go to graphics, then click on stickers and search for timer. Now select the 10 seconds timer and drop it into the timeline where the voice is finished. Then search for the question and paste it right here. You can see that the answer is a bottle. Simply search for bottle and paste it into the timeline.
Riddle 1. What has a neck but no head, and wears a cap but has no hair? Answer: bottle.
Step 4. Go to youtube.com and search for 10 seconds timer sound effect. Once you open the video, go to the URL and type P after YouTube and press enter. Click on audio and download the sound effect from here. Now go to the editor and upload your sound from here. Once you uploaded your sound, simply drop it to the timeline where the counter is set. Then go to this one and search A Day to Remember, which is free, and drop it right here. Step 4. Now simply copy and paste all the elements 10 times. Then copy the riddles one by one and paste them into the text boxes. Then click on export and export your video in high quality. Let's look at the final video.
Riddle 1. What has a neck but no head, and wears a cap but has no hair? Answer: bottle.
Alright, now we need to create a thumbnail for the video. To do that, you need to go to Canva and simply click on YouTube thumbnail. Once you're here, click on the background and select the color that you want. Then click on the text and simply copy and paste the riddle. When you are finished, just click on share and download the thumbnail from here. To upload the video, we need a title and description. So I'm going to ask the AI coach to generate the title and description, and boom, everything is ready. It's time to upload the video. Now go to your channel, click on upload, paste the title and description, upload the thumbnail and publish the video, and congratulations, your channel is ready. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.